Another deadly aviation tragedy. A helicopter used for Holy Char Dham Yatra crashed in Uttarakhand's Gaurikund, killing all 7 occupants, including an experienced pilot and a 10-year-old girl. The chopper ferrying devotees was operated by Aryan Aviation. The helicopter had taken off from Gupt Kashi at 5:10 am and landed at Kedarnath Dham at 5:18 am. However, just a minute later, at 5:19 am, it took off again for Gupt Kashi, only to crash on the way near Gaurikund. Deteriorating weather conditions are said to be the cause of the tragedy. Captain Rajbir Singh Chauhan, who was flying the chopper, served in the Indian Army for over 15 years and retired as a Lieutenant Colonel. Vikram Rawat, an employee of the Badrinath Kedarnath Temple Committee, was another victim. Vinod Devi and Trishti Singh, both residents of Uttar Pradesh, and Jaiswal family from Maharashtra's Yavatmal, also lost their lives in the crash. The bodies were charred beyond recognition, and DNA testing will be conducted before they are handed over to the families. The Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau will probe the crash. Uttarakhand CM expressed grief over the incident and emphasized the importance of helicopter services in the region, saying that ensuring safety in these operations should be the topmost priority.
बैठक में निर्देश दिए हैं कि एक सख्त SOP बनाई जाए जिसमें किसी भी कीमत पर जो हमारे DGCA के रूल हैं, मानक हैं, उनके मानकों के साथ किसी भी प्रकार का कोई भी ढिलाई न बरती जाए। एक कंट्रोल एंड कमांड सेंटर यहाँ पर स्थापित किया जाए और जो इस घटना में दोषी हैं, जिनके कारण से घटना हुई है, उनको तत्काल उनके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई की जाए।
Meanwhile, the private aviation company has been booked for culpable homicide. The company has been booked for not following SOPs and gross negligence. This is not the first air disaster in the Char Dham region. In August 2024, a helicopter that was previously damaged during landing at Kedarnath Dham later crashed while it was being airlifted by an Mi-17 helicopter. Then another fatal crash in May this year claimed 6 lives. Earlier this month, a private aviation chopper made an emergency landing. And now, as a result of this latest incident, helicopter services have been suspended in the Char Dham region. The DGCA and the Uttarakhand administration have imposed a ban on the services until further notice. Frequent Char Dham crashes have raised an alarm. Will the administration wake up before it's too late?
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.